Hi, Tech Coach Gina here, and I just wanted to give you a quick reminder about the bonuses that are expiring today, September 28th at midnight. So if you join the website creation workshop with Christina Hills from my link, then you'll get 6 big bonuses. The first is 3 live implementation done for you hours with me. You'll also get a spot in Woocommerce Made Easy, which also comes with 3 live sessions. Those are group sessions, but you have the opportunity to give me your access details and you can be the demo client for that day. You'll also get access to Effortless Launch Formula, which is my most popular course and my most comprehensive course, which is about Lifter LMS. And that's the learning management system that I'm using on my WordPress website right now. You'll get access to my course on how to get joint venture ready, and that's called Master the Launch. You can do that very quickly and easily. And the final bonus is time sensitive, so you'll want to enroll before midnight Pacific, I believe, on September 28th, and you'd get 6 months of unlimited tech coaching from me. So I hope you won't ignore these bonuses and just email me to let me know when you've joined the course. Have a great day.